You've seen it on TikTok, and now I'm going to show you how easy it is to make the viral baked feta pasta. Spoiler alert, it comes out beyond delicious. Starting off with a large box of cherry tomatoes and getting them into a pyrex. Make sure none of them escape. Drizzle a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil over them, then sprinkle in some salt, some black pepper, and give them a good massage-like mix-in. Yep, gonna get that tension right out of you, Mr. Tomato. Make a little space in the center and place the feta block right there. Sprinkle again with some olive oil and now a bit of chili flakes just to give it a little kick. Flip Mr. Feta over, move him around a bit, and flip him back. Time to bake. Get it in the oven on 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Now while that's in the oven, let's get our pasta started. Water in a pot. Add in a good amount of salt. Turn on the heat to high, lid on, bam, rapid boil. Next comes the pasta, whichever you like best. Stir it around to stop it from sticking. Once it comes back up to a boil, cook it as per the instructions on the packaging. Always aim for an al dente. Keep on mixing. Let's take a look and a taste. Perfect. Off the heat it goes. Now turn the heat off. Time to strain your pasta and rinse it off with a little bit of cool water. Get it back in the pot, get the lid back on, and set it aside for now. Next, slice and chop up some fresh garlic. I'm using about 8 cloves. Then, slice and chop up some fresh basil leaves. Set them both aside, and time to take out the feta and tomatoes. Bubbling and wrinkled. Perfect. Now don't stare too long. Add in the garlic and the basil right away and get them mixing. I must say, it is very satisfying to break that block of feta. Just collapses so easily on itself. Anyways, now add in your pasta and keep on mixing. The tomatoes are gonna pop, the cheese is gonna coat every piece of pasta, and it's gonna leave a meal that smells great, is packed with flavor, and really is incredibly delicious. There you have it. Baked feta pasta right here on Impossibly Kosher. How awesome was that video? Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, give us a thumbs up and ring that bell to get notified of future videos just released.